What's up, automotive enthusiasts? Today we're diving into some breaking news from Munich that's got the SUV world buzzing. BMW, yes, the company famous for ultimate driving machines on tarmac, is reportedly developing their most rugged SUV yet, and it's gunning straight for Mercedes' legendary G-Class throne. According to a new report from Automotive News, BMW insiders are spilling the tea on a secret project codenamed G74. This isn't just another luxury SUV. We're talking about a legitimate off-road warrior that's set to roll off production lines at BMW's South Carolina factory starting in the second half of 2029. The most interesting part? This rugged beast will ride on an adapted version of the next-generation X5 platform, giving BMW a solid foundation to build something truly capable. Now, taking on the G-Class is no joke. Mercedes' boxy icon has dominated the luxury off-road space for decades, and it's got serious street cred both on Rodeo Drive and the Rubicon Trail. But here's where it gets interesting. Recent sales data shows the electric G-Class is struggling compared to its gas-powered sibling, taking 41 days to sell versus just 16 days for the traditional model. This gives BMW a clear roadmap. Stick with internal combustion, at least initially. BMW's already been testing the waters with their X5 Silver Anniversary Edition's X Off-Road package. We're talking rear locking differentials, dedicated off-road drive modes, underbody protection, and all-terrain rubber. Think of the G74 as taking all of that and cranking it up to 11. Expect a much boxier, more aggressive design language that screams capability over style, though knowing BMW it'll still look pretty sharp. Here's the plot twist. This G74 will essentially serve as the spiritual successor to BMW's controversial XM. The XM focused on pavement-crushing performance, but the G74 is all about conquering everything else. Production of the XM is expected to wrap up in 2028, making room on the South Carolina assembly line for this new off-road flagship. It's a fascinating pivot that shows BMW recognizing different types of adventure driving. While BMW is developing dual electric and gas powertrains for the next X5, all signs point to the G74 sticking with good old internal combustion, at least at launch. A hybrid setup is definitely possible down the road, giving drivers both the instant torque for rock crawling and the range for extended adventures. So there you have it. BMW is officially entering the serious off-road SUV game. With production still 5 years out, there's plenty of time for details to evolve, but one thing's clear. The luxury off-road space is about to get a lot more competitive. What do you think? Can BMW's engineering prowess translate from the Nürburgring to the backcountry? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest automotive news. Until next time, keep those wheels turning.